Hi guys, back with me again in the tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add link on Google Docs file. So if you want to add a link, just follow the steps that I'm about to tell you. So open the Google Docs app on your phone. And then here I'm going to open this and click on edit. Just click on this. And here highlight the text or tap the area in the file that you want to add a link or you want to link to appear. So for example, on this one, just like that, and then at the top click on the plus icon, and here you can see the link option at the top, and here you can just paste on the link that you've already copied before, just like so. When you're done, just click on the check icon at the top. As you can see here, you can see that the text has been added, the link has been added to this word, and you can open it, or you can also edit the link or remove the link. Okay, so that is from me in this video. If you got any question, feel free to drop it in the comment, and if you feel the video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more contents. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thank you.